May 5th, card opening here at work on call. I didn't do a blaster last week, and so I thought I'd do a blaster on today's call day. And it hasn't come back open. We'll get started with Prism. Babe Ruth on the back. Let's see who we got in the front. Stever, Randy Arozarena Red, Jose Ramirez Blue Circle, Blue Stargle, and Babe. The blue is numbered out of 199. The red is numbered out of 144. So 2 numbered cards there. Another pack. Austin Meadows. We have a Manny Machado, who's having a good year. This is a unnumbered. Mike Yastrzemski Lumber Inc. I wonder if that's set and sets. No rookies in that one, but an insert and a green donut. Next we have Elite Extra Edition. We have out of 72, a Nick Bush, Ox Bolinas, Brady House Auto, and a Spencer Argetti. I've heard of Brady House. I've not heard of Spencer Argetti or this Hidden Gems insert. The final card beating Jaden Hill for LSU. Okay. Next, Blaster Box I bought was a Series 1. That one, I think. I don't know. Not as clear. Not as clear, but I guessed right. It was a guess. It was educated hypothesis. Joey Votto, Darryl Strawberry, Shohei Ohtani. I don't know why they turned it upside down, but whatever. Otherwise, not much in that pack. I don't think I saw a single rookie. Red Sox are a bit of a mess. Dom Nunez, Mookie Betts, Jose Ramirez. I'm giving all my Rockies to my brother. Want me to go through. I know I saw Kyle Freeland in here. Brian on the back. Chapman and Chris Bryant. 2 rookies so far. Pretty brutal. Two more rookies. There, we get a Wander. Jared Kelenic, Generation Now, Rafael Devers. We'll take the Wander. I have like 15 of them now. No parallels though. And the Heritage have not produced. Nolan Arenado Home Run Challenge. He's having a good year. Got a little overreacted a little bit to a pitch up high. Good year. Apparently we're not quite done seeing him. Tatis and Nolan Arenado. So rookies. Inserts are MLB, got Tatis, Ronald Arenado, Bo Bichette, Jared Kelenic, Devers, Betts, Chapman, Foyle, Bryant, Mookie Betts, Ramirez, Darryl Strawberry, and Shohei Ohtani. And our last pack, second last pack of Sapphire Update. Matt Harvey, Manuel Galeas, Nate Lowe, and Novato Rodriguez. We'll open up our last pack from this tomorrow. Nothing too big in it. We did get a India rookie debut. Otherwise, a bunch of commons. You can see they definitely expanded the checklist for this. Anyway, that's all for today. You take care.